There he goes. Oh, we got a good one. Come on in here. Not too bad. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, we know that's a stringer crappie. Let me get this old stringer out and get it ready. Gotta get this started. We ain't got much time. It's getting nighttime and there is a snowstorm coming. So we gotta hurry up and get us a little stringer. I wanted to see if I could fish in this kind of cold weather. You can, but it's hard. There he is. Oh, there he is. A good one. Come on in here. Oh yeah, man. Look at this, guys. It's sleeting out here. You can see the ice build up all over the place. But the crappie's still biting. They ain't biting super fast. They're biting slow, but they are still biting. We'll take him. There he is. I got him this time. Oh, good one. Come on in here. Oh yeah, another pretty good, decent crappie. Oh. I could just leave him on the ground. There's plenty of ice. Oh, easy. He won't quit. All right, there we go. There we go. Yes, sir, another stringer crappie. I didn't have much time, but they started biting a little bit right here at dark. We're getting us a few little bit of crappie there.